Now all of you see this map on the next page, page number 14, in which Paleolithic and Mesolithic sites are given in India. Means in India where these people lived. So it is given with the red triangle. First of all, see the northern side of India. It is in Kashmir, Roar. Then come this side, Jayal, Didwana, Bagor, and then Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, Mando, Birbhapur, Pesra, Kolkata. Then this side you can see Salbalgiri, Michimagiri. So all these you can see properly in your book, and these were the sites where these people were living at that time. Now downside we can see the topic Mesolithic age. Mesolithic age. The Old Stone Age was succeeded by the Middle Stone Age. Old Stone Age was the Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age was known as Old Stone Age. Then Mesolithic age is known as Middle Stone Age. Middle. So Middle Stone Age or the Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age dates from around 10,000 BCE to about 8,000 BCE. And the main topics given here are: people continued to live by hunting and gathering, although changes in climate encouraged changes in diet. So at that time there were certain changes in the climate. Earlier the climate was very, very cold, but after some time the climatic conditions were changed, and then they found so many types of grasses and wild grasses, wild grains and all, so in the nature, so they started to eat the plant food more. There was greater emphasis on small animals and plant food. So mostly the people started, means the early humans started eating plant food and small animals, particularly wild cereals. Such changes initiated greater interest in particular types of animals and plants, and ultimately led to the domestication of certain animals. So main point in Mesolithic age, domestication of animals started. So they started to domesticate the wild animals, because at that time they don't know how to tame an animal. But after some time, when they started eating small animals and plant food, so they ultimately led to the domestication of certain animals. And the dog became the first pet of humans. So the dog was the first animal to be domesticated. The dog became the first pet of humans, mainly because it defended them from wild animals. So we have also seen, if we are giving some food to a dog, then it will become loyal to us. So because why they domesticated a dog only first time? Because it defended them. वो बचाता था उनको wild animal से. For how he can defend? By barking. In this age, people used small and efficient tools known as microliths. So earlier they were using bigger stone tools, but now in this age, in the Mesolithic age, microliths were used. Mesolithic, micro, Mesolithic, microliths. Microliths, what are microliths? Micro means small. So microliths means these tools were smaller, sharper and more efficient than Paleolithic tools. So with the help of micro word only, we can see that these were smaller and also the sharper than the Paleolithic, and more efficient. They can be held properly at that time, so more efficient than Paleolithic tools. We can see these tools on the next page given. Microliths are given on the next page, page number 15. You can see in your book if you have. All these microliths were used for various things.